So hi friends, I just wanted to show you what I was doing today. Just something quick and easy. So let's see if I can turn this around. So this is something that I've decided to do today, just something quick and easy. Yesterday, a friend came over and she wanted a little sunflower just to give to a friend. And so she showed me a design that she liked, and I thought, yeah, we can do that. So I made hers, and then I made a pattern for myself, a little different. I looked at a picture of a sunflower and came up with this design. So I've been cutting and foiling, putting together this little one, doing some soldering. Those are the rings that still have to go on. So I just wanted to tell you about that not every window has to be big and and impressive. Sometimes you may just want to do a little sunflower. So there you go. Enjoy.